now club members. Then, if every one of you, everyone knows how to learn from that seminar, kita na ang mapag-create sa next seminar. Kamu ang pwedeng mag-group sa next seminar, including ang group population ng science mo. Or at the same time, you will be facilitating with the same speakers too. You might get a speech and learn. Kasi dapat lahat tayo will be engaged in speaking. So, everyone will get to have their notebook and write everything they can learn. First week of December, we also have an experiential learning in a park. So, mga parking po kita, and ano siya hahatiyan natin siya for the whole December. Kasi, malit lang ang place niya. Malit lang ang place. So, dati siya may tuba, pero may lang yan yung rabbit, mga chicken from Egypt. But you really enjoy a lot for that part. And you really enjoy a lot about ecology. So, magkakaroon tayo ng supplementary learning. But that will be for December. And I want Ms. Sonia Batares to be in charge of that proposal. The learning for organic farming. Next session is from first year.